I completed my first flip back in 1995, well over 20 years ago now. Back then, I was just buying them cheap, moving in, using my own credit cards, using my own labor, fixing them up, selling them, paying off my credit cards, and collecting the difference. I mean, back then, there was no discussion of gross rent multipliers or cap rates or cash on cash returns. I didn't have a tax strategy. There was no depreciation schedules. What's worse is I had my real estate license. So I'm going to poke fun at my industry just a little and say that there's clearly a difference between the focus of a successful real estate agent and a successful real estate investor. I mean, I've learned a lot about real estate investing over the last 20 plus years. I've toured a lot of properties, I've met a lot of folks, and I've written a lot of purchase contracts. I essentially did it firsthand, kind of old school. But I gotta say, today I'm real quick to leverage technology to protect my time. I mean, gone are the days of using my Thomas guide to plot out properties that I'm going to tour, or my old Texas Instrument calculator that I would use to calculate amortization. And in its place are very robust paid financial software platforms that have integrated both public and private data with GPS that, seriously, when combined with my 20 plus years experience in investing, allows me to literally drive down the road and identify which houses would have the highest likelihood of accepting an offer to sell. And that skill is crucial for today's investor, because today we have a terrible shortage in inventory of listings. So as an investor, why would you chase the few remaining listings when you could have a handful of unlisted people that want to sell? So I'll say it again. In this market, there is a shortage of listings, but in all markets, there's never a shortage of sellers. If this change in focus makes sense to you, give me a call. I can be a lot more specific, but it's going to cost you probably the cost of a cup of coffee. Thanks very much.